Hey guys, just a quick update on this big airdrop that is coming today, basically in 1 hour, and it is the Jupiter airdrop. Jupiter is basically this decentralized exchange similar to Uniswap on Ethereum, but this is on Solana. And if you have used this app before November 2nd, 2023, you can qualify for an airdrop. And why this airdrop is so popular and big is because they will be airdropping 1 billion tokens out of 1.35 billion total tokens, which is insane. That's like 80% of tokens will be airdropped. And you basically go on the Jupiter website. It's like JUP.ag. I will post the link in the description and click here, and here you can see what will be your allocation and you will be able to claim it. And yeah, this is just a quick update. Follow for more alpha and for more token and NFT updates, and see you soon.